The 2025 Lucid Air Sapphire is more than just an electric luxury sedan. It's a technological marvel that pushes the boundaries of speed, efficiency, and futuristic innovation. Designed to rival the best in the automotive industry, this all-electric beast combines breathtaking aesthetics with mind-blowing performance, making it one of the most advanced EVs ever built. From its exterior design to its cutting-edge powertrain, the Lucid Air Sapphire is a perfect blend of elegance and aggression. Its aerodynamic profile, sculpted lines, and ultra-thin LED light bar create a sleek and futuristic presence, while the exclusive deep purple paint finish gives it a commanding road presence. The signature Lucid badging, carbon fiber accents, and massive 20-inch front and 21-inch rear wheels contribute to its aggressive stance, ensuring it looks as fast as it is. With an adaptive rear spoiler and active grille shutters that optimize airflow, the Air Sapphire is engineered for maximum efficiency and performance. The front fascia features a clean yet aggressive design with a closed grille, showcasing its all-electric nature, while the full-width taillight strip at the rear completes its ultra-modern appeal. Every detail of this vehicle screams precision and luxury, making it stand out among high-performance EVs. Underneath its elegant design lies a beastly powertrain that takes electric performance to an entirely new level. The Lucid Air Sapphire is powered by a revolutionary triple-motor all-wheel drive system that produces an astonishing 1,234 horsepower and 1,430 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful production sedans ever built. This incredible power translates into hypercar-level acceleration, allowing the Air Sapphire to rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just 1.89 seconds, making it faster than most supercars on the market. The quarter mile is conquered in under 9 seconds, solidifying its place as one of the quickest electric sedans in existence. Despite this blistering performance, Lucid has ensured that the Sapphire remains a refined and comfortable luxury cruiser, offering a smooth yet thrilling driving experience. The car's advanced torque vectoring system provides unparalleled handling precision, while the adaptive air suspension ensures a balance between ride comfort and high-speed stability. Whether it's launching from a standstill or cruising effortlessly on the highway, the Lucid Air Sapphire delivers an unmatched driving experience that blends raw power with absolute control. Beyond its extreme performance, the Lucid Air Sapphire is also a technological masterpiece when it comes to battery efficiency and charging capabilities. Equipped with an advanced 118 kWh battery pack featuring a 900 volts architecture, this electric sedan offers a remarkable range of over 520 miles on a single charge, making it one of the longest-range EVs ever produced. Thanks to Lucid's cutting-edge ultra-fast charging technology, the Sapphire can add up to 300 miles of range in just 15 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum driving pleasure. Unlike traditional EVs that struggle with fast charging speeds, Lucid's innovation in thermal management and battery efficiency allows the Air Sapphire to maintain peak performance while charging rapidly. This makes it not only one of the fastest EVs in terms of speed but also one of the most practical long-distance electric vehicles. The integration of next-gen regenerative braking further enhances energy efficiency, allowing the car to recover energy while decelerating and extending its overall driving range. Lucid has truly raised the bar with its Sapphire variant, proving that EV technology can offer both extreme performance and exceptional practicality. Step inside the Lucid Air Sapphire, and you are immediately transported into the future of automotive luxury. The cabin is a masterpiece of high-end materials, cutting-edge digital interfaces, and advanced comfort features that rival the most prestigious luxury sedans in the world. The interior is wrapped in premium deep blue Alcantara and leather, featuring Sapphire-exclusive stitching that enhances its exclusivity. The ultra-wide 34-inch floating 5K display seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster, navigation, and entertainment controls, creating a futuristic cockpit-like experience. Lucid's AI-enhanced Dream Drive Pro autonomous driving system utilizes LiDAR, cameras, and radar to deliver semi-autonomous capabilities, ensuring both safety and convenience on the road. The center console houses a secondary retractable touchscreen that provides access to climate controls, seat adjustments, and infotainment settings, making every interaction with the vehicle effortless. Adding to the immersive experience, the 21-speaker Dolby Atmos sound system creates a surround sound environment that transforms every drive into a concert-like experience. The seats are not only ultra-luxurious but also offer massage, heating, and ventilation functions, providing maximum comfort during long journeys. The attention to detail in the cabin reflects Lucid's commitment to delivering a truly luxurious and high-tech driving experience. Despite its supercar-level performance and ultra-luxurious features, the Lucid Air Sapphire remains a relatively practical option for those looking for a high-performance EV. With a price tag expected to be around $250,000, it competes directly with top-tier electric sedans like the Tesla Model S Plaid and the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. However, with its superior power output, longer range, and unmatched interior luxury, the Sapphire offers a level of exclusivity and innovation that sets it apart. Lucid is not just creating another electric car, they are redefining what is possible in the EV space. The Air Sapphire is a statement of engineering excellence, proving that electric cars can be just as thrilling, luxurious, and technologically advanced as any high-performance gasoline-powered vehicle. With production limited to maintain exclusivity, this model is expected to be one of the most sought-after electric cars in the luxury performance segment. The 2025 Lucid Air Sapphire is more than just an EV, it's a bold declaration of what the future of automotive technology looks like. It combines hypercar acceleration, groundbreaking battery efficiency, cutting-edge autonomous features, and an ultra-luxurious interior into one breathtaking package. Whether you're a speed enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who appreciates high-end craftsmanship, the Lucid Air Sapphire delivers on all fronts. Lucid Motors has proven that the future of electric performance is here, and it's faster, smarter, and more luxurious than ever before.